Protect yourself from wildfire smoke. Tips for U.S. residents. A veil of smoke. Canadian wildfires impact U.S. air quality. Imagine a scene where the skies, once clear and blue, are now shrouded in a thick, ominous blanket of smoke. This isn't a dystopian movie. It's the reality for many in the Midwestern United States this weekend, as smoke from Canadian wildfires has drifted south, casting a pall over the region. The National Weather Service, NWS, has responded by issuing air quality alerts for Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, Michigan, and parts of Nebraska and Missouri. In Minneapolis and Chicago, the air quality has deteriorated to the point where these major cities have found themselves among the top 10 in the world with the worst air quality, according to IQ Air. Minnesota's Pollution Control Agency, MPCA, has extended an air quality alert for the entire state, emphasizing the severity of the situation. The frequency of wildfires in Canada and the United States has been on the rise, with 2023 marking a particularly devastating year. Over 6,000 fires scorched 37 million acres of land in Canada alone, making it a record-breaking year for wildfires, according to the National Environmental Satellite Data and Information Service, NESDIS. In the U.S., states like Texas, Oregon, and California have experienced wildfires twice as often as they did in the 1970s. As reported by the Center of American Progress, climate change is the driving force behind this increase in wildfires, particularly in northern and temperate forest areas. The years 2023 and 2024 were the hottest on record, and they witnessed unprecedentedly high increases in fires that damaged global forests. Dr. Malin Hahn, a spokesperson for the American Lung Association, highlighted the growing concern over wildfires and their impact on air quality in an interview with Time earlier this year. She stressed the need for both prevention and protection, stating, "We need to think hard about how we can obviously try to prevent the wildfires, but also think about how we can protect air quality better moving forward, generally speaking, because it is becoming an increasing health concern, not just a one-off event." The smoke from these fires poses a significant public health threat, as poor air quality can lead to immediate health effects such as a scratchy throat, coughing, difficulty breathing, and chest pain, according to the Centers for Disease Control, CDC. Vulnerable populations, including those with asthma, heart disease, chronic conditions, and pregnant individuals, are at even greater risk. As climate scientists predict an increase in the frequency of these events, it's crucial to know how to protect yourself from the harmful effects of wildfire smoke. Here are some tips. Stay indoors. Limit your exposure to pollutants by staying indoors, especially if you belong to a vulnerable group. Consider rescheduling outdoor events to be indoors and reduce strenuous activities. If you must go outside, be prepared. If you need to venture outdoors, wearing a certified N95 or KN95 mask can help filter out pollutants. Ensure the mask seals properly over your mouth, chin, and nose. Discard the mask when breathing becomes difficult or if it gets damaged. Improve air quality indoors. While in a car, ensure the air is recirculated from inside the vehicle. At home, consider using air purifiers, portable air cleaners, or DIY air cleaners. If you have air conditioning, set it to recirculate mode or close the outdoor intake damper. Stay informed. Regularly check your local Air Quality Index, AQI, through the government's AirNow website. The AQI ranges from good, under 50, to hazardous, over 300, providing a clear indication of the air quality in your area. As we face the challenges of climate change and its impact on our environment, it's essential to take proactive steps to safeguard our health. By staying informed and taking preventive measures, we can better protect ourselves and our communities from the harmful effects of wildfire smoke.